Hey everybody, so today I wanted to talk about aging. So I was starting to do my makeup today and I decided I want to hop on camera. I don't really know why. Maybe this is a counseling session. My birthday's in 10 days and this is a big one. This is the big 4-0 for me. 40, 4-0, over the hill. I don't know, I don't like it. Let's talk about it, okay? So I know when it comes to getting older, some people handle it really well and some people don't. Me, I don't handle it well. I don't really know why I'm letting this bother me so much. There are people that handle aging very gracefully, and up until this point, it really didn't bother me, but as of now, I am no longer one of those people. I remember my mom's 40th birthday party and everything was over the hill. They had black decorations. Somebody gave her a cane or something, or a walker. And I was a teenager and I remember thinking, this lady is so old. I'm really sorry, Mom, but that's exactly what I thought. And here I am hitting that age, legit about to have a midlife crisis. And there's always those people who are like, oh, you know, you're as old as you feel, and 40 is the new 30, or 30 is the new 20. But, you know, to be completely honest, right now, the way that I feel, 40 is 40. 40 is 40 years old, and that's just the way that it is. And if we want to be completely honest, I feel old-ish. I have arthritis everywhere, everything hurts, I'm tired, I have no energy, and I feel old, I feel it. I take that back, my body feels old, but mentally, I still think I'm 27. Listen, I'm very immature, we all know that, there's no secret behind that. In my head, I still feel like I'm 27. Maybe I just need to get into a different headspace. I'm really trying to not be Debbie Downer about this. I promise I'm not, but I'm really having a tough time with this if it's not apparent. I am like having severe anxiety about my 40th birthday, and I don't know why. You guys know, I have tried every anti-aging product, every anti-aging device. I've even done Botox, obviously not right now. I have the stairway to heaven on my forehead, but everything just starts to change. Everything sags, you have wrinkles popping up in places you never thought you'd have before. It's a tough age to accept. I know there's people over the age of 40 that might be watching this and they're probably laughing at me right now. And I'm sure in 5 or 10 years, I'm gonna be laughing at me too. But right now, it's just really, really tough to accept the fact that I'm in a different age bracket. I'm not in the 30 to 40 box anymore. I have to check 40 to 50. It's just that whole new category and that whole different stage in your life that you're heading into. And it's just really weird. And let me just be clear, I am so thankful that I made it as far as I have, especially through my 20s. Oh my God. But it's just that thing where you're like, have I done everything that I wanted to do? There's places I've wanted to travel and things I've wanted to accomplish. And here I am 40 and I still don't know what I want to be when I grow up. It's just that train of thought that I have to change. And I think once my birthday has come and gone, I'm gonna be completely fine and it's not gonna bother me at all. But it's just the anticipation and the anxiety leading up to it. So for the next 10 days, I'm probably gonna be an absolute crazy person. And then hopefully the day after my birthday, I'm gonna be completely fine and just go back to being my ridiculous self. I used to laugh and think it was so funny when I heard people going through a midlife crisis because I just didn't understand it. But let me tell you, the midlife crisis is in full effect here, folks. 100%. I totally get it now. It's just that last-ditch effort on trying to restore your youth. I now fully understand that the midlife crisis is real, and let me tell you, it is here. You're okay with your birthday or you're not okay with your birthday, that is okay. It's okay to not be okay with getting older. We'll all move forward, we'll all get over it and move past it, and I'm just probably giving myself a pep talk. So I will go ahead and wrap this up and just say cheers to all of you and cheers to aging gracefully, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.